Can you see all the scratches?
Yeah, I see all of them.
And then that's just after one quick pass.
So you guys see how there's no like lines everywhere? Like you see some specks because we only did one quick pass, but you guys see how it's a lot clearer over here on the hood versus over here on the fender. Like you see all these lines everywhere. So this is what I mean when we say that even brand new cars have scratches and swirl marks, because they all do. So what we're doing is we're doing a light polish. Basically, we're gonna remove most of the superficial, the really light scratches and swirl marks on top of the paint, and that way we get more of a mirror-like finish afterwards. Black is probably one of the prettiest colors on a car, but at the same time, it's also one of the hardest colors to maintain. But there are a couple of things that you can do to protect it and to keep it looking as good as possible. For starters, you can always Clearbra the full front end to protect it from rock chips. This Model 3 has it on the hood, the front bumper, the fenders, and the mirrors. Since no car comes from the factory brand new without scratches, we actually paint corrected the entire car. This helps eliminate little spiral web lines that you see in your paint, especially when it's really sunny outside. That way the paint looks a lot clearer. And to top everything off, we ceramic coated the entire thing, so it's always going to look its best as long as you take care of it and maintain it.